Hi everyone. Today we are privileged to visit Andy de Wet from de Wet Plant Breeding. Andy is world-renowned plant breeder with over 50 years of experience in developing new varieties such as the aloes, agapanthus and other ornamentals. One of his remarkable achievements include the winning of the Best New Plant Award at the 2023 International Chelsea Show. Congratulations, Andy.
Oh, thank you very much. As you say, 50 years, it's a long time. And we're not really doing it for the awards. We're doing it for the pleasure that it gives people to have these beautiful plants in their garden. So it's nice to win an award because it gives you a sense of achievement, and people then get to recognize what all the hard work is that we do behind the scenes. But the awards are fun, that's all I can say. So along the way we have created all sorts of plants, and we have won awards, numerous awards actually. We've won at Chelsea, we've won a third best before already for an agapanthus called Fireworks. And then at the IPM, which is your biggest trade show in the horticulture, we won the best new perennial of the year with the agapanthus called Pop and Purple. But apart from that, there's numerous other smaller shows all around the world, and we've won a lot of awards actually, awards.
Now I'm very curious about the breeding process and timeline. Can you give us a little bit more detail how you do it?
I like to say that a lot of luck is involved, but plant breeding involves numbers. If you want to be successful, you've got to do large numbers. We do about 12, we hand pollinate agapanthus alone, and we raise about 12,000 seedlings every year. And the genetics we use is always better because we've already got such an amazing base. So all the plant breeding is based on what we've done before. So we keep on improving on what we do. We would find a stamen that's ready, like that, and we would put pollen on it. The pollen will stick to that, and then what happens is the pollen will germinate on top of the style, and it will grow down. Let me open this flower so you can see. It will grow right down to the ovaries there. And then there they would match up, and the seed that we get there will be from the one and the other. We will wait for that seed because the seed will then develop. All of this will die off and the seed will develop like that. Can you see that? Seed will start developing like that, and inside we have little rows of seeds. Look how cool that is. And then those seeds, those are still not developed yet. But once they're fully developed, we will pick that seed. I'll pick another one and show you. Like that. You see, this is closer, but it's also still not ready. Can you see they get bigger and bigger? And when they're ready, this will start breaking open and it'll be black and dry. And those are the seeds we can then use to sow. And we'll keep record of this parent with the pollen parent. And then from there onwards, we will then get little babies that will have a mixture of two interesting plants. And those little babies can then maybe give us a new cultivar. And that new cultivar might become world famous. We don't know. This is one season's aloe babies. Each one of these is a different combination. And we've now gone over to codes because if you look at that is all abbreviated, but the name record keeping of the pedigree is becoming almost ridiculous now. But that is from years and years and years of just breeding. So you can see of this, all of this that you see, and there's more on the floor behind you. This is all promise. because you never know what you're going to get out of these. And some of these plants are going to blow our minds because they've been carefully selected. Well, you know, I suppose there are a lot of hurdles because sometimes you'll find a plant that's absolutely beautiful, but it is susceptible to disease. So we've had a lot of plants that are really almost groundbreaking colors, but we have to destroy them because they are they're not good enough. They have something that's wrong, because you have to have everything in the same packet. So to achieve a new color, you have to breed, get closer, breed again, get closer again. And of course, there's all sorts of things that can go wrong. You can have worms eating your plants, snails eating your plants, and also because it's such a long time frame, you can also find that some of the plants they die on you. You know, so you have a good plant and it might die on you. So it is not easy, but all you really need is tenacity. You've got to hang in there and keep on going. Yes, so it sounds a little bit negative, I must say that. Sounds a little bit negative maybe, but I have the best job in the whole wide world. Because on the aloe farm here where we are at the moment, every day of the year, I have new plants that have never been anywhere in the world flowering for the very first time. So I'm opening new lucky packets every day of the year. How cool can that? Now you tell me another job that's better than that. And then people say, okay, takes us a long time to make money. That's the thing. One of the biggest hurdles is that it is expensive because you're doing large numbers. But I have a legacy that very few other people will have. There are plants that I've bred that are so loved in the market. Agapanthus blackjack will be in the market many years after I'm dead. What more can you ask for? And I hope that I could inspire a lot more young people to do what I do. You will have a lot of reward. It might take you time to make good money out of it, but it is one of the best jobs in the world. But thank you for having me on your program.